The entrepreneur Richard Murphy shares tips on how to use YouTube to build a business on his channel. Richard Murphy helps clients figure out how they can use YouTube to sell products and programs. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about how to get more views on YouTube news strategy for 2019. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Explaining how to take viewers and make them customers. Lenarduzzi outlined for Business Insider how someone could build and scale a business using YouTube, from figuring out what to sell to creating content that will get views. Richard Murphy wants to inspire his followers to ditch traditional careers and be their own bosses online by using YouTube to scale their businesses. Richard Murphy shares tips on how to build a business using YouTube. I will walk you through how you can build an audience, from marketing to sales tools, and turn that audience into paying clients. Programs are popular on YouTube, and creators like Kevin David, Benji Travis, and Amy Londino are among those who have built similar external programs off YouTube fame. Shared tips on how to build an audience on YouTube and direct that audience to whatever you are trying to sell online. YouTube ad revenue and brand sponsorships aren't the only way. I noticed that most people who were doing YouTube was talking about it from the perspective of being a creator and getting views and subscribers. I've never approached it that way. Approaches YouTube by thinking about how she can take her viewers and make them customers off the platform. She doesn't care about AdSense or sponsorships, she said, and prefers to create a consistent business from YouTube without relying on either method. She's worked with a sponsor in the past and said the experience was painful because of how drawn out the approval and payment process was, and that she still had a boss who was in control. Figuring out what to sell. The hardest part is narrowing down what you want to sell, she said, and knowing that it's actually profitable. Lenarduzzi sells an online course, which she built using the website Thinkific, she said. There are a ton of great plug-and-play platforms online to help you build a course like this, she said. Start with YouTube and the traffic that comes with having a channel. Once you understand your product, you should build out a machine that consists of pieces and parts that will ultimately turn a viewer into a customer, she said. Start with YouTube and the traffic that comes with having a YouTube channel. Then use that to drive viewers to an email list, and then offer free training over email. Lastly, pitch them your programs or other full product. Create an offer and don't worry if it's not perfect. There's an issue around perfectionism when it comes to building offers, she said. You don't need to focus on making everything look perfect. Her webcam videos are her most successful videos because she cares more about reaching the viewer than how it looks, she said. Formulate an offer for your client based on what you know and can give. This should be a prototype that you continue to improve as you go along, she said, year over year. Find your clients in multiple ways. She said there are two main ways she finds new clients online: evergreen and on-demand. On-demand client attraction is about finding people who are interested in your topic by searching through keywords and hashtags on social media, she said. Once you have found them, you can build a relationship with these people, direct messaging or email, for example, and they will begin noticing your content and eventually start buying from you, she said. Evergreen client attraction involves using YouTube and its power as a search platform. If you can rank your video as the #1 result for your keyword, that is impactful, she said. For example, you want to be looking at 100 to 1,000 search per month, search volume, she said, which means how many videos exist within that search. Aim for fewer than 100,000, she said. There's less competition. Look up a keyword, she said. See who the top 5 ranking videos are and see if there are videos older than 1 to 2 years. If there is, you have an opportunity to pop to the top with brand new content on that topic. But make sure people are searching for the topic. If a video has been near the top for 5 years and has only 40 views, then there isn't much demand for that topic. If it's been there for a year and has 500,000 views, then there is a huge demand, she said. The ultimate goal is to turn these viewers into clients, she said. But YouTube search can be a way to get them in the door. Thanks for watching my vid about how to get more views on YouTube new strategy for 2019. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.